There is a reason this message found you today, not yesterday, not next week, right now, at this exact moment, because something connected to May 30th and the number 10.10 is beginning to move quietly behind the scenes of your life. Most people will scroll past this message without understanding it, but some will stop the second they see those numbers. Their spirit will recognize something their mind cannot fully explain yet. For days, maybe even weeks, the number 1010 has been appearing again and again on clocks, receipts, phone screens, random moments that did not feel random at all. Many people ignore these moments. Others feel a strange pause deep inside them, a feeling that something greater is trying to get their attention. That feeling is not meaningless. Throughout history, repeating signs and patterns have often appeared during seasons of transition, especially before major emotional or spiritual change. There are moments in life when everything feels delayed, doors stay closed, prayers feel unanswered, silence becomes heavy. People begin to wonder if heaven still sees them at all. Yet many spiritual teachers and faith writers spoke about these hidden seasons long before modern conversations about angel numbers became popular. They believed that breakthrough often begins quietly, not with noise, not with celebration, but with signs, timing, pressure, and preparation that most people do not notice until later. That is why this message today matters more than people realize. Because May 30th carries an emotional and spiritual weight connected to endings and new beginnings. Some people are stepping into a turning point they never expected. Others are finally leaving behind a painful season that drained their strength for far too long. And strangely enough, many viewers listening right now already feel it deep inside. Life has not felt normal recently. Sleep has been different. Emotions have become heavier. Thoughts have become louder late at night. Certain relationships suddenly changed. Certain doors unexpectedly closed. Some people walked away without explanation. Plans failed at the last second. And still, despite all the confusion, there remains a quiet feeling that something bigger is approaching. That feeling is important, because many breakthroughs begin with discomfort before they become visible. There is also another side to this story that very few people talk about. Some of the hardest seasons in life are not punishment. They are preparation. Many people blame themselves for every delay. They think they failed. They think they were forgotten. But later they discover those closed doors protected them from things they could not yet see. Sometimes a delay saves a person from destruction. Sometimes silence protects a future blessing. Sometimes isolation builds strength that comfort never could. And tonight, there are viewers listening who desperately needed to hear that, because deep down, they are tired of pretending everything is fine, tired of carrying stress nobody notices, tired of smiling while fighting battles privately, tired of hoping for change while watching the same problems repeat again and again. But this message is not here to increase fear. It is here to remind somebody that hidden movement is still happening, even when life looks still on the outside. The number 10.10 has long been connected by many believers to alignment, awakening, and divine timing. Not luck, not coincidence, timing. The kind of timing that changes everything unexpectedly. The strange part is that breakthrough seasons rarely announce themselves loudly at first. They begin quietly. A feeling changes. A door opens slightly. A burden starts lifting slowly. New people appear. Old confusion begins fading. Strength returns little by little. Then suddenly, life shifts in ways nobody could predict. Some people listening are much closer to that moment than they realize. And before this video ends, something even deep will be revealed about why this season has felt so heavy lately, why certain things had to fall apart first, and why many viewers are standing right at the edge of a breakthrough they almost gave up on completely. There is also a hidden reason so many people are suddenly seeing repeating numbers during emotional seasons of waiting and uncertainty. Most never learn the meaning behind it. But tonight, that changes. Stay with this message until the end, because every part connects together. The final message may explain something you have been struggling to understand for a very long time, especially if life recently felt unusually difficult, emotionally draining, or spiritually silent. And if this message already speaks to something deep inside you, take a moment right now to subscribe to the channel. This community is built for people searching for hope, direction, spiritual encouragement, and deeper meaning during difficult seasons of life. New messages are shared regularly for this, who feel lost, tired, uncertain, or simply searching for peace in the middle of chaos. Welcome to the channel, and tonight, something about your story may finally begin to change. There are people listening right now who are exhausted in ways nobody around them fully understands. Not physically tired alone, spiritually tired, emotionally drained, carrying pressure silently every single day while pretending everything is normal. Some have prayed the same prayer for months, others for years, and nothing seemed to change. The door stayed closed. The answer never came. The silence became heavier with time. That silence can make a person feel forgotten, especially when everybody else seems to move forward. Friends begin succeeding. Other people find happiness. Opportunities appear for them naturally. Their lives seem to open while yours stays stuck in the same painful cycle. After a while, many people stop asking God for anything at all because disappointment becomes easier to carry through, and hope. But this is the part many people never understand during seasons of delay. Delay does not mean abandonment. Just because heaven feels silent does not mean heaven stopped working. Some of the most important changes in life happen where human eyes cannot see them yet. There are seasons when God works beneath the surface first, quietly, slowly, carefully arranging things in ways no person could control alone. And sometimes the waiting itself changes a person before the blessing arrives. That is why certain people listening today feel different lately. More emotional than usual, more sensitive spiritually, more aware of small signs and strange moments. It is because something inside them is beginning to shift. The old version of them cannot enter the next season carrying the same fear, doubt, and emotional weight. Many people wanted immediate answers, but instead they received hidden preparation. And even though the waiting hurt, it built strength they did not know they needed. Some viewers spent nights crying privately while everybody around them slept peacefully. Some carried anxiety nobody noticed. Others smiled publicly while secretly falling apart inside. There are even people listening who almost gave up completely because they believed nothing would ever change. But this message arrived at a very specific moment for a reason, because the season of endless delay is beginning to break, not through noise, not through instant miracles appearing from nowhere, but through movement, quiet movement, small changes at first, a door opening slowly, clarity returning little by little, emotional heaviness starting to lift, strength returning after months of exhaustion, and strangely, many people begin seeing repeating numbers during these exact kinds of transition seasons, especially October 10th. For years, people across different spiritual communities connected repeating numbers to moments of alignment and awakening, times when life begins shifting internally, before external changes appear physically. Some dismiss it as coincidence. Others feel something much deeper when those numbers appear repeatedly during difficult seasons of life, because repeating signs often arrive when a person stands between one chapter ending and another beginning. The number 10.10 carries strong symbolism connected to transition, divine timing, and restoration. It represents movement after stagnation, light after confusion, direction after emotional wandering. Many believe it appears when a person is closer to breakthrough than they realize. That is why this message matters tonight. Because certain viewers are not trapped forever in the season they are currently living through. The pressure they felt recently was not random. The emotional shaking had purpose behind it. Heaven often begins changing the spirit of a person before changing the conditions around them. Before peace appears externally, it begins internally. Before new doors open outwardly, featuring begins breaking inwardly. Before life changes visibly, something changes quietly inside the heart first. And that internal change is already happening for many people listening now. Some viewers no longer tolerate negativity the way they once did. Certain environments suddenly feel heavy. Certain relationships drain their energy faster than before. Old habits no longer feel right. Conversations that once entertained them now feel empty. This happens often before major life transitions because spiritual growth changes what a person can continue carrying comfortably. And while this process feels confusing sometimes, it is also protection. Not every closed door was punishment. Not every delay was rejection. Not every separation was loss. Some people had to leave because they could not follow where your next season is taking you. Some opportunities disappeared because they would have distracted you from something greater later. Certain disappointments protected you from damage you could not yet see at the time. That painful ending may have saved your future. That unanswered prayer may have redirected your path. That delay may have preserved your peace. Many people only understand this years later when they finally see what God was protecting them from all along. There are viewers listening who begged for situations to work out that would have eventually destroyed their emotional peace completely. Others chased people who were never meant to stay permanently in their lives, and although the separation hurt deeply, it created space for healing, wisdom, and growth that could not happen otherwise. God sometimes removes hidden obstacles by removing hidden attachments first, and that process is never easy, because people naturally mourn what they do not yet understand. Still, behind every painful removal, something new quietly begins preparing itself. That is why many breakthroughs arrive suddenly after long periods of silence. To human eyes, it looks instead NT, but spiritually, preparation was happening the entire time beneath the surface. The hardest seasons often come right before major transition, right before emotional restoration, right before clarity returns, right before peace enters again. There are people listening tonight who feel closer to giving up than continuing forward. But something important must be understood. The silence was never empty. God was still working during the waiting, during the confusion, during the sleepless nights, during the disappointment. Even when nothing around you appeared to change, some breakthroughs arrive slowly, others arrive all at once. One unexpected phone call, one opportunity, one conversation, one moment of favor, one sudden shift that changes everything completely. And many people miss their breakthrough season because they quit emotionally too early. They stop believing. They allow fear to convince them that nothing good can still happen. They focus only on visible problems, while ignoring invisible progress already happening inside them. That is why this season requires spiritual attention. Protect your peace carefully now. Not everybody deserves access to your energy during transition seasons. Too much negativity can cloud discernment. Too much fear can weaken faith. Too many distractions can cause people to miss the very thing they prayed for. Stay close to prayer during this time. Stay grounded spiritually, even if answers are incomplete, even if timing still feels uncertain, even if life still looks confusing on the outside. Do not allow temporary silence to convince you permanent defeat is coming, because many times the greatest breakthroughs begin forming quietly, while everything still appears unchanged. Before this message ends, there is something your spirit needs to remember tonight. You are not alone in this season. Even if life has felt lonely for a long time, God has not forgotten your prayers. Heaven has not ignored your tears. The silence you carried was never proof that nothing was happening. Some of the greatest changes begin quietly, long before they become visible. For many people listening right now, May 30th may become more important than they realize today. Not because everything changes overnight, but because this could be the moment their faith begins returning again. The moment they stop believing the delay means defeat. The moment they finally understand that God was still working behind closed doors the entire time. There are seasons when life tests people emotionally until they almost stop believing anything good can still happen. That is why this message found you now and not earlier. You needed this reminder during this exact chapter of your life. Something inside you was close to giving up completely, but deep down, there is still a small part of you hoping things can finally change. Hold on to that hope, because breakthroughs often arrive after the hardest nights. Peace often returns after long emotional battles, and clarity often comes after seasons of confusion. One day, Many people look back at the painful season that almost broke them and realize it was also the season that transformed them. The waiting strengthened them, the silence taught them, the delays protected them, and the pain pushed them closer to the purpose they could not yet see. That is why you cannot give up now, not when your story is still unfolding, not when God may already be arranging things behind the scenes that you cannot see yet. And if this message spoke to your heart tonight, take a moment and comment 1010 below, or comment "My breakthrough is coming," or "God is working." Sometimes speaking faith out loud becomes the first step toward emotional healing and spiritual strength again. Also, if this message encouraged you in any way, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. These messages are created for people walking through difficult seasons, searching for hope, clarity, peace, and spiritual encouragement. And there may be somebody in your life right now silently losing hope who needs to hear this message too. Share this video with them and remind them they are not forgotten. Never underestimate what God can change in a single season. A closed door can suddenly open. A heavy heart can heal. A lost person can find direction again. And a life filled with delay can suddenly move forward in ways nobody expected. Sometimes heaven is preparing the biggest breakthrough during the quietest season of your life.